this is a quiet little corner of the town, but there's actually still quite a lot going on here. Some nice little bars down this way. And I think I've done enough filming right now. Yeah, it's easy to stay around the pub street area, but when you get away from and explore some of the other little roads and alleys down in Siem Reap, there's actually quite a lot to Siem Reap. I mean, bars like this, well, I assume that's the hotel complex. But what it is, it's actually the Natural House Restaurant Sky Bar Hotel in Siem Reap, and looks very, very plush. Looks very, very nice in there. Yeah, this is a good little part of town. This is leading down from the X Bar. Quite a few ladyboys knocking about down here, but you know, whatever. Some people like that sort of thing. Anyway, but yeah, there's some good little late night bars. Whenever I stayed in Siem Reap, I used to always stay here in this little corner of town. Simply because I'm a bit of a night owl, and there were some really, really good late night bars. But you know, ladyboys knocking around. But yeah, it's okay. It's pretty good. Yeah, there always were quite a lot of ladyboys knocking around about this part of town. I don't know what it is with it, but never mind. I mean, you know, some people like that sort of thing. I better not film because they may not like it very, very much. I better point the camera at me. Anyway, I know there's a couple of nice little bars down there, so I'm good at, you know, I'm gagging for the cold beer. See, this is now going well away from Pub Street, but there's quite a lot going on down here. I see a lot of nice little bars here. This is quite a cosy little part of town, this is. The Draft. Not sure if I know that bar well. Finn McCool's Irish Bar. Just when you thought you'd seen all Siem Reap has to offer, there is a whole lot more. I'm gonna see what's going on down here. Go quick. There you go, that's a Sky Bar restaurant. What does that say? Kaiser Cola or whatever, something like that. And over here we have a nice little bar. I was in there the other night. There's a couple of bars, but quite a place. Yeah, it's lovely. Yeah, I've got a nice cold beer, and this bar here, it seems a little bit dark and gloomy, but it's a good little bar, friendly staff. 50 cents draft beer all day and all night, yes, and a lovely, delightful barmaid. She's a lovely, lovely girl. What's your name, by the way?
Rain.
Rain is a lovely name. It's a lovely name, and you're a lovely, lovely barmaid. You really, really are. You smile at people as soon as I enter this bar. You make me feel welcome. You make me feel good. You know what I mean? There's a few miserable people out there, and that's why.
Welcome everybody. Come in Cambodia.
Okay, Cambodia.
Yeah,
absolutely. Absolutely. Well, what's that? Hey, that's a nice beer there.
Gangster beer.
Yeah, that's very, very nice beer there. I like that one. It's German.
That's better. 173.
Oh, well, I'll stick with this because I'm, you know, it's well 50 cents at 50 cents a glass of draft beer. I think it's okay. What are you eating there anyway? Noodles. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. So, see, this is the kind of late night bar that I used to like about this part of Siem Reap. It's got a sort of more intimate, friendlier feeling than the main pub street area. But whenever I stayed in hotels in Siem Reap, I always stayed around this area, and in a way, I sort of miss it in a way. I sort of miss it in a way because it is the perfect place for a very, very, very late night drink, and you do meet some good characters around in the early hours of the morning. Here she comes. Here comes this lovely lady here with a beer. Cheers. Cheers, cheers. Whatever. And he's a nice guy. Cheers to you as well. Cheers. Thank you. God bless you all. I've been here for the last hour and I've only just got around to asking what this bar is called. It's called the King Kong Bar, and it's a really, really cool little place. Okay, tell us what the bar's called. Go on, tell us what it's called. It's called the King Kong Bar.
Yeah, actually, everybody come here so happy and enjoy together.
And she's a lovely lady. She's a lovely, lovely lady. Right now it's well after midnight. I think it's probably about 2 a.m. in the morning. But this little part of town here is a very, very good part of town. And it's a 24-hour place. What's it called now? I'm not even sure what it's called. It's called a temple. And it looks like it's lively, and it's serving some really, really good stuff, some good grub this hour of the morning. So I've had a good few beers in the King Kong Bar. So it's time to, oh, that's a good sign, isn't it? Happy day from open to close. 50 cents draft beer. Jesus, Cambodia is still really good value. So the temple, grills and seafood, yes. Well, I've had a few beers too many, I suppose. Anyway, it's time for some grub. A lot of places call the temple around here. It must be a big company. Well, I've got to say, there's lots of crocodile on the menu here. Crocodile curry, yes. Crocodile amok. Loch crocodile, wow. Fried crocodile with a hot basil. Crocodile skewer. Okay, here we go. Come on, get over there. Sorry, I've had a few beers. Crocodile meat. Crocodile meat. There's plenty to choose from. Khmer sour soup with crocodile. Sweet and sour crocodile. It's all looking very, very tempting. Crocodile steak. Now this is looking like a winner in this ungodly hour of the morning. Spaghetti with spicy crocodile, $4.50. Now this looks pretty good. A crocodile sandwich. Grilled baguette bread with sauté mixed herb of crocodile meat, vegetables, served with French fries, yes? $5.50. Now I'm tempted by this one because I like the idea that the next time I see a really, really unpleasant, nasty looking crocodile, I can think to myself, I once ate you as a sandwich with French fries. Okay, now I've actually opted for the crocodile steak with baked potato and vegetables. And this time of night, well, you know, 2 a.m., half 2 in the morning, something like that. Well, it sure is looking good. Okay, well, that went down quite well. You know, nice baked potato and crocodile meat. A nice portion of crocodile meat. Now, in case you've never actually tasted crocodile meat, you may be wondering, what does it taste like? Well, it's a bit rubbery. It's nice enough, you know, it goes down reasonably well. But it's not something I'd eat on a regular basis. I mean, it just doesn't have the flavour of, you know, more common meat like beef or chicken. Okay, so the grand total of that, crocodile meat with vegetables and baked potato. And I must say the baked potato was the nicest bit about it. And the beer, of course, was $6.50, which I think is quite reasonably enough. Who the hell's this? Hello? Hello? Well, you were staring at me while I was talking to myself, so what's your problem? What's that?
I just see the camera.
Yeah, okay, you've never seen a camera before?
Yeah, TV?
Yeah, TV, I'm a TV celebrity, okay? You meet all kinds of weird and wonderful people at probably 3 AM in the morning in Siam Reap.